Well, I found all of the paintings that I made, and I may change one of them. Um, the lion and the leaf are not going to change, but I may change the one in the middle, on the middle shelf. The top ones are little, but I used to have 9, and I gave one to my postal person, and then I couldn't find the 8th one, and then I found it. So I've got 8 paintings, and I'll probably give them as gifts. I don't think I'll sell them, because who would buy them? Who would buy art by the woman who wrote Murder on the Silver Comet Trail 2 years before the murder happened? Who would buy art by an ordained woman who wrote fertile prayers, daily fertile prayers, and it's the only daily devotional for people who have miscarriages, the only daily devotional for someone who is going through infertility? Who would buy it? I don't know. Maybe everybody likes another shade of blue, or another shade of pink, or another shade of silver, or another shade of green. There are a lot of reasons why people won't buy art. Maybe they like realism. Anyway, I framed all of them except the one tall one on the left in the middle. That's the only one not framed, and that will be framed soon. And I don't know what I'll do with them.